Welcome back to Building Blocks, the place where complexity becomes simplicity. If you're joining us for the first time, we're in the thick of an exciting journey into the world of artificial intelligence, or AI. In the last episode, we embarked on a trip through the history of AI, but now it's time to roll up our sleeves and start deciphering the hidden wizardry behind AI algorithms. Now, what's an algorithm, you ask? Well, think of algorithms as the recipe books of the computer world. Just like a recipe, an algorithm provides a set of step-by-step instructions that lead to an end result. In our everyday life, we follow algorithms without even thinking about it. When you're baking a cake, for instance, you follow a precise sequence of steps to get that delicious dessert. Computers, in the same way, follow algorithms to solve problems and make decisions. But of course, computer algorithms are a bit more complex than your average cake recipe. They are capable of handling massive amounts of data, solving intricate problems, and even learning from their mistakes. And that's precisely what makes them so vital in the realm of AI. Let's take a closer look. Remember our friendly neighborhood recommendation system on Netflix or Amazon? It's algorithms that power these systems. They analyze your viewing or buying patterns and compare them with those of other users to suggest what you might like next. Simple on the surface, but quite a sophisticated process behind the scenes. Then, we have machine learning, a star player in the world of AI, that relies heavily on algorithms. Machine learning algorithms are like sponges. They soak up vast amounts of data, identify patterns, learn from them, and make predictions or decisions without being explicitly programmed to do so. It's like a child learning to recognize dogs by looking at many dog photos. The more photos, the better the learning. Now, if we're talking about something even more advanced, like deep learning, we deal with neural networks. These are intricate webs of algorithms, structured to imitate how human brains work. They're used for more complex tasks, like recognizing speech, identifying objects in images, and even diagnosing diseases. So you see, the essence of AI, in many ways, lies in the art of designing the right algorithms. Algorithms that can learn, adapt, and improve. But it's not all rosy. There are challenges and limitations, which we'll unravel in our upcoming episodes. That brings us to the end of our second episode. We've just scraped the surface of the fascinating world of AI algorithms. So stay tuned, hit that like button, share with your friends, and subscribe to Building Blocks for more AI adventures. Until next time, keep exploring, and remember, there's no problem that a good algorithm can't solve, in AI at least.